Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Academy. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley, where I've had the privilege of working for a number of prominent high technology vendors for more than the past 2 decades. Our mission at Artificial Intelligence Academy is to help you achieve your career and income goals by providing you with best-in-breed certification and training programs in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, as well as big data, and important programming languages such as Python, R, and others, along with their corresponding mathematical algorithm libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and beyond. I invite you to subscribe to our portal today and share our information with your professional colleagues and peers. We have all the certification training programs you think that will help benefit your career and allow you to take the next step towards achieving your career and financial goals. This is Lawrence Wilson signing off. We wish you much success